Are you gonna help Shopcat? Well, that doesn't look promising. Okay, Shopcat and I have a new building challenge. And no, it's not an eating challenge because he would win. It's a shed building challenge. And we're trying to recreate the 12 by 16 shed that you can buy at Home Depot for $6,100 is what they've got it priced at, while keeping the budget below $2,800. Now the shed I'm talking about is not one of the rinky-dink sheds with the less than 2x4s and stuff. It's the premium top of the line shed called the Tough Sheds that they have. And you can see in this video I'm well under progress, but I'm going to be doing a series of videos where I take y'all with me from dirt to finished product. The first video is going to be about prepping and leveling the site, getting it ready. The next video is going to be about doing the floor, and even the Tough Shed does not have 2x6 flooring. It's still 2x4 floors. You get your choice between the 2x4s and the metal. But the metal, I looked at it, was like super thin. And so at first I saw that metal and I was excited, and I'm thinking, well, that's not going to have bugs or rot or anything like that. But then when I looked and saw how thin it was, it would be like an old car door laying in the yard. It just rust away to nothing in no time. So instead we've got treated 2x6 that are rated for ground contact, and you can see I've eliminated the ground contact. In each video, I'm not only going to go over a lot of these things, these details, but also I'm going to make mistakes, and I'm going to show you the mistakes that I make and how I fix the mistakes and how I could have avoided the mistakes. And of course, there will be comments from other people. Oh my gosh, there is Shopcat. Now, he is instrumental in the build, and you can see he has serious climbing skills, which come in handy on the roof work, don't you? And Mrs. Shopcat, she's not very helpful, but she is entertaining. If you're not familiar with our videos, both of these are rescues, and little Mrs. Shopcat started out very skinny. She was almost starved to death because she had eaten all the mice around the shop and had run out of food. And now she is a nice, plump, fat, little lovey thing. And Tigger, he's the male Shopcat. He likes to chase squirrels, and he will climb up in the trees after them. He looks like he's getting ready to train. Yes, he made it to the roof. So he's going to be working on the roof today. I am, of course, going to go over costs in detail. Sometimes I'll be going over the costs in the interim videos. I will certainly be going over all the costs in the last video, so we can see just how close we came to our budget and where we made changes. Because some things we're doing different, like the roof is not going to be the old shingles and stuff, which is cheaper. Even in the Tough Shed, they still have shingles. This is going to have a metal roof. So that is going to eat up some of the budget.